Today we will study solving equations having the variable on both the sides. We have taken one equation 5x minus 3 equal to 2. 5x minus 3 is LHS and 2 is RHS. Here the variable x is only on one side, that is LHS side. Now we have taken one equation 7x minus 4 equal to x plus 8. Here this is LHS 7x minus 4 and this is RHS x plus 8. Now the variable is on both the sides. Here 7x, so x variable is on LHS also and x variable is on RHS also. Now let us solve it transposing x to LHS and 4 to RHS. So this 4 will go on RHS, it will become plus 4, minus 4 will become plus 4 and x will go on left hand side, so plus x will become minus x. So 7x minus x is equal to x 8 plus 4. So 7x minus x is 6x, 6x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 upon 6 and 6 1s are, 6 2s are, so x is equal to 2. In exercise 2.3, we will solve the sums in the same way. Now let us see exercise 2.3, question number 1. Solve and check the result. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Answer. Now let us see 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Here 2x will go on the left side. So 3x minus 2x equal to 18. 3x minus 2x equal to 18. So x is equal to 18. Now we have to check the result also. So we will see left hand side first. Left hand side is equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 18, that is 54. In the place of x we have to put 18. Now RHS is 2x plus 18 equal to 2 into 18 plus 18. So 36 plus 18. 18 to the 36, so 36 plus 18 equal to 54. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So the above result is correct. Now question number 2. Solve and check the result. 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. Here both the t we have to take one side and numbers will be taken on the other side. So 3t will go on the left side will become minus and 3 will go on the right side will become plus. So 5t minus 3t equal to minus 5 minus minus 3, minus minus will become plus. So 2t equal to minus 2. Now t is multiplied by 2, so on dividing both the sides by 2 we can get t equal to minus 1. Now we have to check the result. So left hand side we will take first 5t minus 3, left hand side is 5t minus 3. In place of t we will put minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus 3 equal to minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8. And right hand side is 3t minus 5. So 3 into t is minus 1 minus 5. So minus 3. 3 minus 1 is minus 3, minus 3 minus 5 equal to minus 8. So both the results are same. So left hand side equal to right hand side. The result obtained above is correct. Now question number 3. Solve and check the result. 5x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x. Now we will see xx will go on one side, number will go on the other side. So for this 3x will go here, will become minus, and 9 will go here, it will become minus. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 9. So 5 minus 3 is 2, so 2x is equal to minus 4. Now 2x is equal to minus 4, so we will divide both the sides by 2, we will get x is equal to minus 2. Now for x is equal to minus 2, we have to put this value in both LHS and RHS and we have to verify. Now LHS is equal to 5x plus 9, x value minus 2 we have to put here for x. So 5 into minus 2 plus 9 equal to minus 10 plus 9 equal to minus 1. Now let us see for RHS. RHS is equal to 5 plus 3x. So 5 plus 3x, in place of x we will put minus 2. So 5 plus 3 into minus 2 equal to 5 minus 6, 3 to the 6. So 5 minus 6 equal to minus 1. We will see here both the numbers are same, both the answers are same. So LHS is equal to RHS. So the result obtained above is correct. Now let us see question number 4. 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. Here 2z will go on the left side, plus 2z will become minus 2z and 3 will go on the right side and it will become minus. So 4z minus 2z equal to 6 minus 3. So 2z equal to 3. Now here 2 is multiplied by z. So we will divide both the sides by 2. We will get z equal to 3 upon 2. This z value we will put in left hand side and right hand side. So left hand side equal to 4z plus 3 equal to 4 into 3 upon 2. Z value is 3 upon 2. So 4 into 3 upon 2. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 3s are 6. plus 3, that is 6 plus 3 equal to 9, and RHS is equal to 6 plus 2Z, that is 6 plus 2 into 3 upon 2, 2 will be cut. So 6 plus 3, again it will be 9. So both the values are same. LHS is 9 and RHS also 9. So LHS is equal to RHS. So the result obtained above is correct. Now let us see question number 5. Solve and check the result. 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. Now let us see, this x will go on one side and number will go on other side. This is minus x. When it will go on the left side, it will become plus x. So 2x plus x. Here is minus 1. So when it will go on the right side, it will become plus 1. So 14 plus 1. So 2x plus x is 3x and 14 plus 1 is 15. Now dividing both the sides by 3, we will get x is equal to 5. Now this x is equal to 5 value, we have to put in both LHS and RHS. So let us see for LHS plus LHS equal to 2x minus 1 equal to 2 into 5. 5 means x. 2 into 5 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 is 9, and RHS equal to 14 minus x equal to 14 minus 5, that is also 9. So both these answers are same. So we can say LHS is equal to RHS. So the above obtained result is correct. Let us see question number 6. Solve and check the result. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Now first we have to solve this right hand side. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. This 3 will be multiplied by both the numbers in the bracket. So 3 into x is 3x and 3 ones are 3. So minus 3. 3x minus 3 plus 7. So now this x will go on one side and this 4 will go on right side. Numbers will go on one side. Now so plus 3x will go on left side, will become minus 3x, and 4 will go on the right side, it will become minus 4. This is plus 4, so it will become minus 4. So 8x minus 3x is 5x equal to minus 3 minus 4, that is minus 7 plus 7. So minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So x is equal to 0. 5x is equal to 0. So x will be equal to 0. Now this x is equal to 0 value, we have to put in both LHS and RHS. LHS is 8x plus 4, that is 8 into 0. X value is 0. So 8 into 0 plus 4, that is 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. And RHS is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Again x value we have to put 0. So 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7 equal to 3 into 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 7, so equal to 4. So LHS is equal to RHS. Here both the answers are same. So we can say LHS is equal to RHS. So the above obtained result is correct. Let us see question number 7. Solve and check the result. X is equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. Now here this 4 upon 5 into x plus 10 we have to solve first. This 5 is in denominator. So it will multiply with x. Multiply both the sides by 5. So 5 will be multiplied by x. So 5x is equal to 4 into x plus 10. So this 4 will be multiplied by both the numbers in the bracket now. So 4 into x is 4x and 4 into 10 is 40. So 5x is equal to 4x plus 40. Now this x value will go on the left side, xx will go on one side. So 4x will go on the left side, plus 4x will become minus 4x. So 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So x is equal to 40. 1x is equal to 40. X is equal to 40. So now LHS is given only x and RHS is given 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. So LHS is x is equal to 40. Now RHS is 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. So 4 upon 5 x value is 40. 4 upon 5 into 40 plus 10 is equal to 4 upon 5 into 50. Now here we will do the cutting. 5 ones are and 5 tens are. So 10 fours are 40. So RHS is 40. We can see here both the answers are same. LHS is 40. RHS answer also 40. So we can say both the values are same. LHS is equal to RHS. So the obtained result is correct. Let us see question number 8. 2x upon 3 plus 1 equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now here 7x upon 15 we will take on the left side and 1 we will take on the right side. So 2x upon 3 minus 7x upon 15 equal to 3 minus 1. Here LCM is 15. So 3 should be multiplied by 5. So 2x should be multiplied by 5. So 5 into 2x minus 7x upon 15 equal to 2. So 3x upon 15 equal to 2. 5 into 2 is 10x minus 7x, that will be 3x. So 3x upon 15 equal to 2. So cutting by 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So x upon 5 equal to 2. Now here 5 is in division, so we will multiply both the sides by 5. So we will get x equal to 2 into 5, that is 10. So x is equal to 10. Now this x is equal to 10 value we will put in the LHS and RHS, this LHS and RHS. So LHS is 2x upon 3 plus 1 equal to x value is 10. So 2 into 10 upon 3 plus 1 equal to 2 into 10 plus 1 into 3. This 1 will multiply by 3, cross multiplication. So 2 into 10 plus 1 into 3 upon 3, that is 20 plus 3. So 23 upon 3. Now RHS is 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now here x is 10. So 7 into 10 upon 15 plus 3. So here we will cut 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So 7 into 2 upon 3 plus 3. Again it will be 14 upon 3. 7 2s are 14 upon 3. So it will be 14 plus 3 into 3. 3 will be multiplied by 3. Plus 3 into 3 upon 3. So 14 plus 9 upon 3, that will be 23 upon 3. We can see here both the answers are same. So LHS is equal to RHS and the result obtained above is correct. Now let us see question number 9. Solve and check the result. 2y plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. Now here y will go on the left side and 5 upon 3 will go on the right side. So minus y will become plus y and plus 5 upon 3 will become minus 5 upon 3. So 2y plus 5y is equal to 26 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. So 2y plus y is 3y. 3y is equal to 21 upon 3 equal to 7. 26 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3 will be 26 minus 5 upon 3. So 21 upon 3, that is 7. We have to cut it. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So it will be 7. Now y equal to 7 upon 3. 3y is equal to 7 means y is equal to 7 upon 3. We have to divide both the sides by 3. Now this y value we will put in both LHS and RHS. So LHS is equal to 2y plus 5 upon 3. So 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. Y value is 7 upon 3. So 2 into 7 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3 is equal to 2 7s are 14. So 14 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. Now this 14 plus 5 we will do. Then 14 plus 5, that is 19 upon 3. RHS is equal to 26 upon 3 minus y. Now y value we have to put 7 upon 3. So 26 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3. Numerator we will subtract. 26 minus 7 upon 3, that is 19 upon 3. Now both the sides answers are same. LHS 19 upon 3 and RHS also 19 upon 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. So the result obtained above is correct. Now question number 10. 3m equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. You have to solve and check this result. Here 3m equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. 5m will go on the left side. It will become minus. So 3m minus 5m equal to minus 8 upon 5. Minus 2m equal to minus 8 upon 5. Now this 2 we will divide here. Dividing both the sides by minus 2 we obtain m equal to 4 upon 5. This minus minus will be cut. Now LHS equal to 3m equal to 3 into 4 upon 5. This m value we will put in LHS. So 3 into 4 upon 5 equal to 4 3s are 12. So 12 upon 5. And RHS is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. 5 into 4 upon 5. M is 4 upon 5. So 5 into 4 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5. So 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 8 upon 5 will be 12 upon 5. So both the values are same. LHS value and RHS value are same. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the result obtained above is correct. Children, make a classwork and solve up to exercise 2.3 in your classwork. Solve the sums yourselves and then see the answer sheet. Thank you.